We are back with the Silver Dragon. It's unexpected. My sage is working very well. Smoke detector works too. So we're going to finish this up. We'll make it into part 1 and part 2. Access untapped resources. Look into your soul. See higher possibilities. The Silver Dragon is holding the key to everything that you want in your life. So let's read about it and what is their reason, their guidance for us, and we'll see where we go. Silver Dragon. Okay, about the dragon itself. The Silver Dragon, a fifth dimensional, shimmering silver dragon, radiate divine feminine light and gentle qualities. They exude harmless love, peace, tranquility, balance, gentleness, and calmness. If we are ready to surround our aura with soft, pure silver light that enables us to retain these feminine qualities, they also reflect our true self and highest potential back to us by coming to us and looking deep into our eyes. This enables us to see the essence of the soul and discover aspects of ourselves we did not know exist. We are reminded of the divine magnificence and may catch a glimpse of the mighty soul or even Muhammad. I am present, to which even or no, it's not Muhammad. It's Monad. Monad. So it's monad. I am present to be with you belong. Your fifth dimensional soul blueprint contains the keys and codes to the gifts, the talents, the wisdom, and the power. Much of this is locked away and unused. Receiving this card suggests that it's time for some of this potential to be ignited and brought forward into your life. You are ready to reveal yourself to who you truly can be. Sit quietly and see the sense of shimmering silver dragon who has come to you. Allow it to reflect back to you and the hidden aspects of your soul and the higher possibilities. This may or may not be a conscious process, but it will inspire you to express the essence of transformation, the essence of transform your life. Be ready to develop any gifts or qualities that the dragon draws to your attention. You may surprise yourself. This is the first time I remember drawing this dragon. Remember I said the dragon is offering you the key to your abilities, to your wishes, your dreams. So allow them in. Let them swirl around you. Ask them for guidance and see what they're bringing to you. Till next week, love and light. Namaste.